My presentation is on marijuana use in Canada. So just some facts. Did you know that the use of marijuana for medical purposes was legalized in 2001? Patients can possess up to 150 grams of dried cannabis. Also, 70% of Canadians want marijuana legalized for recreational purposes. 70%. About 43% of Canadians aged 15 or older have tried marijuana. And marijuana is expected to be legalized in Canada by June of 2018, just in 1 year. This is a graph on marijuana use in Canada. This graph is made from data from 2013. It was the most recent data that I could find. As you can see, the data follows an upwards trend all the way until the 25 plus age category. So the line of best fit doesn't seem to really correlate with the data. As you can see, when I get rid of the outlier of the 25 plus category, the line of best fit much better suits the graph. Also, the R-square value is much closer to 1. I believe that this happens because the 25 plus category is the more settled down category. This is a graph on drug-related offenses. The graph follows an upward trend all throughout. The R-square value is 0.8600, which is pretty close to 1. That means that the line of best fit well suits the graph. This is a graph of marijuana-related offenses. As you can see, over time, there is a gradual decrease in the marijuana-related offenses. The data follows This is a graph on the drug-related offenses in Canada. This is a graph on drug-related offenses in Canada. The graph follows an upwards trend, and the R-square value is 0.8600. That's pretty close to 1. This means that the line of best fit well suits the graph. This is a graph of marijuana-related offenses. As you can see, the line of best fit has a negative slope, which means that over time, the percent of marijuana-related offenses in the population has been gradually decreasing. This is a graph of the marijuana offenses by type. So the y-axis is rate per 100,000, and the x-axis is the year. The blue line is for the possession offenses. It follows an upwards trend and continues to increase. However, the supplying offenses continues to decrease. I think that this is why the total number, the green line, remains stable at plus 144.4044. This is a graph showing the reasons reported for the use of medical marijuana in Colorado. Although it is America, it shows just how many things that marijuana can help. The most common reason reported is severe pain, and the least common is HIV or AIDS. This is a graph showing the medical marijuana shipments to Canada in August of 2016. It shows how many shipments each of the provinces received in this month. Ontario received the most shipments, while the territories received the least, even though all 3 of them were combined. This is a graph of marijuana use in each province in 2013. As you can see, majority of the provinces were pretty similar, although Nova Scotia had the highest and the territories were not accounted for in any data that I could find. Thanks for watching.